Remove the 2 screws on top of the cartridge. On the side of the cartridge, release the hook of the drum bushing. Rotate the drum bushing, and remove it. Do the same on the other side of the cartridge. Remove the white lever. On the other side, remove the black lever. Slide the corona wire cleaner. Release the side hook of the corona wire. Release these 2 hooks on the front of the cartridge. Release the other hook of the corona wire. Remove the corona wire assembly. Clean the grid of the corona wire. Be careful not to leave lint on the grid. Clean the corona wire with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol. You can use ammonia too. Lift up the white drum bushing. Remove the drum contact bushing. Remove the foam cleaning roller. Remove the 2 foam roller supports. Remove the old drum. Install the new drum. Be careful, it's really fragile, and the light may damage it. The white pin of the drum must match with a slot in the gear bushing. Reinstall the foam roller. You can clean it with compressed air, or with a soft cloth. Install the white drum bushing. Reinstall the 2 foam roller supports. Install the corona wire assembly. Install the white lever. Insert the black drum bushing. On the other side, install the black lever. Insert the other drum bushing. Install the 2 corona wire screws. Slide the corona cleaner in its start position. And the work is done. Turn on the machine. Press and hold toner button for 5 seconds. Press drum. Select the color for the drum unit you want to reset. Press yes. The display will show accepted. The drum counter is reset. Turn on the machine. Press OK and arrow up at the same time. Press OK to select drum. Then press OK. Select the color for the drum unit you want to reset. Press arrow up. The drum counter is now reset.